Everyone's been sending me the viral video. Said I should have a go at it. So I'll see how my guinea pigs fare, hey? So I got my big steel spike. I'll sink that into the ground here. It's been raining heaps, so it should go to ground, no worries. Oh, beautiful. Oh, here we go. Now I've got to use this knife, cut a bit of a section out of it to get them going by the look of it. A little bit of a wedge. We'll see how we go.